Ah, you pole dancer.
Mother, she go and push the towel down.
I don't care. My clothing get messy, you're still gonna get from me.
She go and take away, then after I go and push down.
I say you have to stop playing already, right?
Yeah, she keep playing.
I don't care.
Shut up.
Stop hitting people.
Never mind, later you get it from me. Don't worry. You hit how hard, I hit double.